So Bitcoin again started pumping, and from here we are going to see a pump, or now we are going to see a dump. We are going to discuss the next move of Bitcoin, the next move of altcoins in this video. So if you want to know these things, then pause this video without skipping. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. First of all, we will discuss the Bitcoin chart in our 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame of Bitcoin, and it is currently breaking this upper trend line of this symmetrical triangle pattern. This pattern is neutral pattern, and we have to wait for the breakout or breakdown. But here we are seeing a breaking out of this candle, that is the upper trend line. But don't open any long position by seeing this breakout, because we have to wait for the proper confirmation, and the confirmation will be done after the retest of this trend line. So now we are going to discuss in our 4 hour time frame. Once in my video, I told this chart, that is Bitcoin was under this descending parallel channel, and I told that we are going to see a breakout because this channel pattern is a bullish pattern. And now here we saw a proper breakout of this pattern and Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is not getting a much volume for a proper good breakout. So here we are seeing a very good volume, and this is also breaking this small symmetrical triangle pattern in a 4 hour time frame also. All we have to wait for the proper confirmation, then we can open a long position in our Bitcoin. But here are something that you have to know, because this is a very strong support zone, that is of 1,10,000 approx to $1,12,000 zone. This is the last strong support zone for our Bitcoin, and this support zone we may expect a down from here in our 4 hour time frame. So we can expect some negative in our Bitcoin. We can expect some fall in our Bitcoin, but not for the long term. So we are going, if we saw a fall, then we have to wait for some right time, and then we can open again a long position. So my suggestion is, if you are in any long position, or if you are going to open any long position, then hold it tightly with the proper stop loss. Now we are going to discuss the Bitcoin chart in our daily time frame. So this is the daily chart of our Bitcoin, and again same things we are going to see, that Bitcoin is ranging at this resistance, this strong resistance zone, that is 1,10,000 to 1,12,000 resistance zone. But the good point is, ranging around resistance for a long term increases the chances of breakout. So here the breakout chances increases, and we may expect a proper breakout in the upcoming days or in the upcoming weeks, and then we can open a long position. But again, I am going to say that we have to wait for the proper confirmation, and the confirmation will be done after the retest, and this breakout may take some weeks. So we have to wait and hold the Bitcoin tightly. But we are going to see the $1,30,000 zone in the upcoming days or in upcoming weeks from a Bitcoin at the end of our 2025. Now we are going to discuss the Bitcoin dominance. So this is the 4 hour time of Bitcoin dominance, and I told that we are going to see a dump because it is under this bullish pattern, bearish pattern, and now it dumped, and it broke this horizontal support also. And this is a very good point for our altcoins, because Bitcoin started pumping, and this Bitcoin dominance started falling. This pattern means, this combination means the altcoins are ready to explode, and they are also going to pump. But you have to pick the right altcoin. So if you don't want to miss any good altcoin, then you should join our Telegram channel also. Link is in the description box. So overall the Bitcoin is looking good, but in short term we may expect again a fall in our 4 hour time frame, because this is a very good strong resistance for our 4 hour time frame. But in daily time frame, we are going to see a breakout in the upcoming days, in coming weeks. But we may expect a fall from this zone, that is $1,10,500 zone in our 4 hour time frame, and the dump will not go too far, but we are going to see a little dump. So that's all for this video. If you want to know any other thing, then you can comment in the comment section.